Signatures are a piece of text that appear at the bottom of your email that may include things such as your contact details or any messages that you're trying to get across to people that you're sending your emails to. So for example, in your signature, you may say that you only work part-time and the days that you work. So it's a great way of educating receivers of your message about certain things. Just take care with this option, as in some organizations you may already have a predefined signature that you must include. But let's have a look at how signatures work. So there's two things we can do here. First of all, we could take an existing email and I could grab the bottom of this, just copy it. And if I come back to the inbox, I can go File, down to Options. We're going to Mail and Signatures. Now, one thing I could do here is click New, and I could put in Donna Promo. So this might be a promotional signature. And in here, I can now do a Control V or a paste to pop in details of that footer that I want there. So that's my promo signature. Down the bottom, I can choose to have that appear on all new messages, on any replies or forwards, by simply choosing that default signature. At the moment, there is no default. So I can pick something up from an existing email and drop it in here as a signature. The other thing I can do is create a brand new one. Yes, I do want to save that, and I'll create a new one. I'm going to call this Donna Normal, and we'll click OK. And this one in here, I'm just going to say, yours sincerely, Donna Hanson, trainer, phone number, email. So let's just say that's what I want. And if I click down here and I say I want that on all of my messages, just any message I send out, click OK and OK again. Now, watch what happens when I click New Email. It comes up with the normal one that I'd set as the default, but at any time, if I have multiple signatures, I can come in here and I can choose the promo one. And it drops that one in there and removes the normal one, and I can switch back. So this is really handy if I want to alternate between signatures. So maybe I want one for internal people or external people, or if I work in a business where I'm marketing or trying to educate, can be a great way of leading people into a promotional item. So if I look at the promo piece, got options down here, enable you to add in or add in some promotional ways that people can work with me, for example. So that's working with signatures in Outlook.